What's going on, guys? Today's the big day. I'm doing the Abbott stash. It's pretty much the last race before the marathon, the New York City Marathon. It's supposed to start on 44th something in the city. And I believe it finishes actually on the finish line of the New York City Marathon, which should be really cool. You know, just giving me a little taste of what's to come next year. But yeah, I'm gonna go run this 5K. That's gonna be race number 8. So as I get this done, in 2 more weeks, I have race number 9. So as I get these 2 done, I should be officially qualified for this New York City Marathon. So this is my quest. This is what I want to do, and this is actually my goal for next year. Until then, just keep pushing myself. Like I tell you guys, just keep pushing yourself, keep running. I know there's times when you don't want to run, kids, wife, time, just whatever time you can get, just throw it in there. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, just do it. But yeah, as of now, I'm gonna head to the city, so I'm gonna drive, which I'm pretty much always been doing, to the city, which actually I already learned my lesson. I should just take the train, but we'll see. I'm gonna take a drive to the city. Hopefully I find parking, and hopefully this time I will start actually on the start time. So I'm here walking to the race. A few blocks away, I try to park in between. And this is the start and finish. Start and finish are not the same, so heading to the start line. See you guys at the start line.
Today, during the start. Once again, everyone, we do need you to start heading up. And continue to head up to get into those corrals. We don't want you to stop here because this is not.
John and Laura, Natalie, Benedetta, in your life, TCS. Thank you to our title sponsor, Tata Consultancy Services at the TCS New York City Marathon. We've got our local team, Mercury Master.
What's going on, guys? I just finished this 5K. Feel pretty good. It's a nice experience running through the city. It's I guess a pre-run to show what's to come on the finish line of the New York City Marathon. I'm excited. I got 2 more races coming up, 1 more left for the qualifier, and I'll be there next year. But I hope you guys enjoy the view. Hope you guys enjoy the sights. And just keep running, guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.